Hello everyone. In this module, we will learn about Indian place value system. Do you know that Indian place value system is also known as Hindu-Arabic system? In the system of numeration, numbers are formed using 10 digits, that is from 0 to 9. To read and write numbers, a place value chart is used. Let us understand the Indian place value system. In this chart, digits or places are separated into 4 groups. Starting from the right, the first group is ones. Second group, thousands. Third group, lakhs. And fourth group, crores. Each group is called period, and each period has its own places. Ones period consists of 3 places, that is ones, tens and hundreds. Thousands period consists of 2 places, that is thousand and 10,000. Lakhs period consists of 2 places, lakh and 10 lakh. Crores period consists of 2 places, that is crore and 10 crore. All these are called the places. Now each place has its own value. Starting from the right, the values for these places are 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore and 10 crore. All these are called the place values. This place value system shows 4 periods with 9 places and their place values. To separate periods, commas are inserted. Starting from the right to left, first group the digits in 3s and then in 2s. Starting from left to right, digits in the same period are always read together. Now let us make it more clear with the help of an example. First, let us understand how to insert the comma using Indian place value system. So for putting commas, we separate this number according to their periods. So first comma we put after 3 digits. Second comma after 2 digits. Third comma after 2 digits. Now let us understand to read and write this number according to this system. For reading and writing the number, always start from left to right. So here in this number, the leftmost is crores periods. Let us read as 83 crore, 20 lakhs, 45,000, 723. In this module, we have learned to insert commas and to read and write large numbers. Thank you for watching the video.